Word. What is up? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. I'm visiting my aunt in my hometown so I could get a chance to get some title and paperwork done on the Benz and see my son, visit with him. So taking care of some business, and I thought I would take the old beater Lexus out for a little catch up. It's been a month or two, I guess. I know it's made another trip to Florida. Let's get our safety belt on. This will be a cold start. This car always smells so good to me. It has the best smell. And I mean, this poor thing, look at the seats. They're not torn, but they're just so cracked and need to be refinished so bad. The previous owners of this car, they just let a dog just rule the roost in here. Oh, and right here, the seat. There is one tear here. She said it was getting worse. That's pretty bad. I may put a piece of duct tape on it. But man, this thing is still just so freaking solid. Let's get our rear view mirror where we need it. Alright, cold start. See what we got. You know what? I'll roll the window down. The power tilting and telescoping. Are you kidding me? I can't roll down the windows? Okay, one more time. Let's tilt this baby up. Oh, my friend, one of my viewers, that also has one of these. He told me to press the button under the dash to clear out the flashing. Oops, that ain't it. Flashing tire pressure light. So I'm pressing it. I don't know if there's anything else I need to do other than press it. But I pressed it. Alright, let's crank her up. See what we got. Oh yeah. Got a little belt squeal. Just a little. Not too bad. But man, you want to talk about an engine that... The engine mounts on these cars, they must have been replaced on this car at some point. Because to have 100, we're sitting at 170. We're going to turn over... We might turn over 173 while we're out and about piddling here. Got some low washer fluid. Okay. Yeah, somebody told me, is it Joe? The other Joe out there told me to press and hold that. And that would clear that out. I'm pressing and holding. I'll look into it in a little bit. I won't forget this time. Yeah, they make a hell of an engine mount if they haven't been replaced, because you feel absolutely nothing as far as vibration in this car. In the steering wheel, seats, nothing. It is 100% vibration free. Still tight as usual. Ought to stop and get her some washer fluid while I'm out. Fill that up for her. So the triangle of the warning will go away. cold AC, smooth, quiet. Yeah. 2011, this is a 10. Had a 2011 go through the auction last week. It was the only car out of about 800 cars in the Atlanta auction. It's gone from about 2,000 cars to down to 800 right now, and no one can go in person and bid. But there was an 11 that was traded in at Nally Lexus, and it had exactly 170 on it, and it sold for $4,900. Very similar condition to this one. I didn't see any body damage necessarily on the outside, but the seats were tan and they were a little stained, and you could tell they were a little rough, and it was a charcoal color, had lots of door dings and just scratches, just scratches overall. But it was a 2-owner car, no accidents, $4,900. That was a heck of a deal. An 11, anything in an es350 that is a 10, 11, or a 12, and you can get it for under $5,000, you've done freaking good. I don't care if it's got 200,000 miles on it. These are just such good cars with that 3.5 V6. And you get the nice little refresh that the 2010 gives you over the 09. You get these hard buttons, okay? The hard buttons instead of the 07, 08, and 09s have the soft ones that peel and get real gunked up. This has the hard buttons, which is nice. And you get a little treatment on the front, new grill, headlights, new tail lights, and some a new wheel, and a few little trim pieces. So, going to the 10 is just a little nicer car all the way around. No changes as far as, engine or transmission. It's still the same old 3.5, 6-speed automatic that you can get in an 07. But if you can get an 010 through 012, that is, those are great, and especially under $5,000. God, what a whole lot of car you get for the money. So my aunt has got this off us at around 140, I think, somewhere in there. I think I bought it at auction 138. We put about 4,000 or 5,000 miles on it, so it had like 142 maybe. So she's put about 30,000 miles on it in a little over a year and a half. It hasn't get not one problem. She's bought a couple of tires and just had the oil change. She may have had the brakes done on the front. That there's a maybe on that, but not 100% sure. But nothing mechanical breakdown. It's just been a flawless car, and you can't beat that. My cost was $5,900. I sold it to her for $7,000. Still, that's a hell of a lot of car for that money. She paid cash. She got a paid for car. It's going to last a long time. I don't like the fact that now it could be due to the fact it's a rainy day, humid day, but I can still hear that belt settling. Let's see, it's settling down just a little bit. You can still kind of hear it. How velvety smooth. Got a couple of them for sale there. Yeah, a Honda CRV of that age would sell for more money than one of these. Those things sell for stupid money at auction. Everybody thinks, oh, Honda CRV. They don't think that way about the Pilot, though. It's the Honda CRV, Toyota Highlander, the Lexus RX 330, 300s, 350s. Oh, my Lord. People just bid stupid money on them. Stupid money. All right. We're pulling up here at the house. So I will see y'all later on. Peace.